Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So student, today date is 5 November 2020 and I am teaching you chapter number 17 and name of the chapter is the earth and sky. The earth and sky. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So student, in the previous video we discussed the things to remember of this chapter, and after that we started the book exercises. So student, we are doing book exercises of chapter number 17. So student, open page number 94 of your book. Take one pencil also, because you have to complete book exercises in the book, and in classwork copy we will write the question answers of the chapter and we draw the diagram of the chapter. So student, first question number A, tick the correct answer. So we have completed this question. This is MCQ questions. For each answers there are 4 options are given and we have to choose the right option. So question number A we have completed and we started the question number B, that is fill in the blanks. Question number B. Fill in the blanks. Question number B, and first 2 questions we have completed in the book. First question is the earth is the dash planet from the sun. So what is the right answer? The earth is the, it means in this question it is asked what is the position of earth from the sun. So student, the position of the earth from the sun is 3rd. So we have completed this question. Second question is around dash of the earth's surface is covered with water. We know that student, we are living on the surface of the earth. So maximum part is covered with the water. So what is the percentage of that? That is 72%. So first 2 questions we have completed. Now let's start with the third question. Question number 3. The earth looks The earth looks dash. The earth looks dash in color when seen from space. When seen when seen from. So student, as we know that the earth looks dashed in color when seen from space. So in this question what is asked, it is asked that when you see the our planet earth from the space, so it look like which color you observe. See student, we have already discussed that the surface of the earth is covered by, maximum part of the earth surface is covered by water, and that is 72%. In question number 2, fill in the blanks, we have discussed. And rest of part, the land which is found in rest of the part is, some part of the earth is plain. You can see hills also, mountains also, desert also. So, and water bodies like ocean, sea, rivers, lakes, ponds. So student, the maximum part is covered by the water, that is 72%. So student, when we see the earth, so the earth looks dash in color when seen from space. So it looks blue in color. The earth looks blue in color when we see it on the space. Even when you see the model of the earth, जब आपने अर्थ का मॉडल भी देखा होगा बेटा, which we say globe, तो maximum color which you find on the model of the earth, that is blue. That is the reason it is shown in the model of the earth also, maximum color which you see, which is visible to you, that is blue color, because maximum surface of the earth is covered with the water. So note down the answer. Question number 4. This is a satellite of the earth. Sorry, I read MCQ question. Question number 4. The gas we breathe in is. The gas we breathe. The gas we breathe in is dash. So student, we know that the living gas due to which our life is possible. So our living gas, which gas we breathe, that is oxygen. And student, from where you are getting this oxygen? We are getting this oxygen from the green plants. That is the reason we should not cut trees. We should not cut trees. If there is no tree, then from where we will get the oxygen? And if there is no oxygen, then life is possible on this planet. So the answer is student, no. Life is not possible without this gas. And student, from where we are getting this gas? Student, we are getting this gas from the tree or plants, you can say. So this is our living gas, and the gas which we breathe, that is known as oxygen. Oxygen, OX Y-G-E-N, oxygen. The gas we breathe in is oxygen. So student, we have completed the fill in the blanks question. Now let's start with question number C. Write true or false. Question C. Question is write true or false. Write true or false. So what is the first question? First question is, the sun is not the center of the solar system. The sun is not the center the sun is not the center of the solar system. So student, statement is, the sun is not the center of the solar system. So now tell, yes, anyone can give the answer. So yes, your answer is right. The sun is not the center of the solar system. This is a false statement. See student, we know that when we are talking about the solar system, so solar system is the family of the sun, and what are the other members? That is the planets, 8 planets and their natural satellites. Now student, and we know that student, all these planets are moving around the sun. All these planets, for example this is sun, all these planets are moving around the sun, and this movement of the planet is also, I explained you, this is known as revolution. This is known as revolution. If the sun is not in the center, then how the planet moves around it? It is possible? No, it is not possible. Sun is in the center, that is the reason all the planets are moving around the sun. So student, this is a false statement. This is a false statement. Now planets, question number second. Planets have light of their own. Planets have light of their own. The statement is, what is the statement? The statement is planets have, okay, light of their own. So student, planets have light of their own. So is this true or false? Yes, anyone can give the answer. This is a false. Okay, very good. This is false. See, what is the reason? We know that in the solar systems, sun is in the center and all the planets move around the sun, and this movement of planet is known as revolution. So now student, when I explained you about the planets, at that time I told you planets do not have their own light. Now the question arises, if they do not have their own light, then how they are getting light and heat? So student, right answer is planets do not have their own light. They are getting the heat and light of the sun. They are getting the heat and light from the sun, because sun is made up of a burning gases which produce lot of heat and light. Is it clear? That is the reason in this statement it is given planet have light of their own. So this is a false statement. Clear? Now next, third one is, the sun is a, third question, the sun is a star. Now question is, the sun is a star. So yes student, this is the true statement. Yes, sun is a star. Yes, this is a true statement. See student, sun is the star. That is the reason it has its own heat and light, because it is made of a burning gases which produce lot of heat and light, which produce lot of heat and light, and this is the light of the sun, due to which all the planets which are moving around the sun, they are getting heat and light of the sun. So student, it is true to say that the sun is a star. Now question number 4. What is the question? Each large group each large group each large group or cluster of stars of stars, each large group or cluster of stars form the Milky Way. M should be capital, I think. Okay, now see this question. Each large group or clusters of stars form the Milky Way. No student, this is not a right answer. क्योंकि in this question it is saying that the group, it is talking about the group of stars. जो group of stars क्या है वो form the Milky Way करते हैं. So this is not right. This is a false statement. This is a false statement. Last, fifth question. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. So in this statement, now he is asking, we know that there are 8 planets in the solar system, and in this it is asking what is the position of our planet Earth. It is asking in this question what is the position of our planet Earth from the Sun. So in this it is given the Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Yes student, this is the right answer. Our planet, because when I explained you about planets at that time, I also tell you draw the diagram of the solar system in your copy, and below that also write the position of all the planets from the Sun. So yes, the Earth is the third planet from the Sun. So this is the true statement. Note down, or you can take a screenshot also. Now see student, we have completed the book exercises of the chapter 17. First question, take the correct answer. Second question number B, that is fill in the blanks, and question number C, write true or false. Now take out your classwork copy student. In your classwork copy, firstly you write today date, that is 5/11/2020. On the top you will write chapter number 17. Then you will write the name of the chapter, the earth and sky. This much you have to write in your copy, and after that you note down the question number D. After that you will write question number D. Question number D. Give short answers to the following question. Give short answers to the following questions. Short answers to the following question. Now student, let's start with the question number 1. Question number 1. What is the question? Name all the planets in the solar system. Question 1. Note down the question from the board. Name all the planets in the solar system. Okay, so note down the answer students. We know that student, there are how many planets are there? There are 8 planets in the solar system. How many planets student? There are 8 planets in the solar system, and after that we will write their name according to their position from the sun. ठीक है, सन से जो उनकी पोजीशन है, in the same order we will write the names of the planet. So note down the answer. There are 8 there are 8 planets in our solar system. In our solar system, they are Mercury. There are 8 planets in our solar system, and they are, now we will note down the names of the planet. They are, first is Mercury, then Venus, third position, first position Mercury, second position is of Venus, third position is of our planet, that is Earth, fourth is Mars, fifth one is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, seventh position, and last one, that is 8th planet, is Neptune. So student, this is the name of the planets. Name all the planets in the solar system. So there are 8 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, thank you student.